Okay, bro. All right, let's do the song. That song you asked me in the key of E. This is the key of E. This is the key of E. Make sure you tune your guitar to the standard tuning. Okay, make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning. Okay. Make sure your guitar is on this standard tuning, okay? You played Jehovah, you are so good. You are so good. Jehovah, you are so excellent. You are so good. Okay, the song is very simple song. I believe with this kind of song, you'll be able to know how to improvise and progress on different gospel songs, okay? Okay, like songs like that. If I want to improvise it, I'm improvising more better than that. But I need to just make it bring out the note at first. Okay, so the note there is do mi do. Okay, do mi re do la mi re do la re do mi re do ti re do. So now, another way you can apply play the thing to sounds more better and sounds more good. Okay, provided you can harmonize it. When you are playing Okay, so that is it. If you don't Jehovah, you are so good. You are so good. You are so good. So this place I play just like playing the la la la. Now going to your, improvising the do. Instead of the do, I play the la, something like this. But I play it on this shape. Okay. Okay. Now I add some minor. I had a minor 7 there, which is a do, just like playing that flat 7 there, that do there. Understand? Go to your fan. So I just play the same here. That same note here. Easy here. Okay. Okay. Though I showed you some picking the harmonies from when you are playing your chord. Suffering. Okay. So whenever you're playing your chord like that, you need to be applying those harmonies, to make it sound better and make it sound cool. Okay. So wherever you don't understand, you can hit me on the comment section. I will get back to you. Okay. All right.